Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And as we all know, yesterday, we had CPI. CPI is a major event for the market. And we were expecting that, finally gold would give us some direction. But sadly, gold is still stuck in a range. If you were observing market at the time of CPI, you were hopeful because after CPI dollar index started falling and we saw gold going up. But sadly, the move was temporary. Dollar started falling, but gold failed to go up. Gold failed to cross the resistance, and we can see that gold is still trading in a very narrow range. We had a live session in our private WhatsApp community. I was on a long position. Luckily I exited. I exited. Otherwise, it would have been a disaster. Anyways, you can see that the levels on gold have not changed much because the range is still the same. Gold is still fighting for a direction. There have been minor changes on the chart. Let's discuss one by one. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold steady on Fed rate outlook. Gold prices hovered around 3350 per ounce on Wednesday as investors wait the Federal Reserve's rate outlook following the latest CPI data. And if you look at the economy calendar, we can see we also have news in the US session. Initial jobless claims in comparison to CPI. Initial jobless claims data is not a big event that can change the direction of the market. But let's have some expectations because the chart of gold is not going to give us good opportunities for the day. So right now, while recording the video, gold is trading around 3350, 3350 area. And we are on the 15-minute chart of gold, and you can clearly see that market is trading in a narrow range. And where the market is facing resistance, remember the blue box that we have been discussing? Yeah, the same blue box, has become a new resistance for the market. But the problem is that, market has been testing the blue box, many times. So market has already tested the resistance 7 to 8 times already. And if you have a basic understanding of the market also, probably you know it very well that market doesn't like common things because trading is a zero-sum game. It's a zero-sum game. So when a level becomes too common, liquidity builds up. So there is a high chance that during the day, market will either break the level. Market either will break the level or market will go for SL hunting. For example, after 1 hour, if you see the market is going up, obviously we don't know whether it's a breakout or it's a SL hunting. So if you see market is reversing again, then you will get the idea, it was a SL hunting or it was a liquidity sweep. Then you can go for a sell position below again, below this area. Means you can go for a liquidity sweep. You can go for liquidity sweep. If you are not sure what is liquidity sweep, you'll find plenty of videos online. So on liquidity sweep, you can go for a sell opportunity. The second selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 3367 to 70. This is the level where you can look for a sell opportunity. Why? Because of the yellow box. What is the yellow box? Same concept. The previous support will become the new resistance. No changes. 336770 is the first resistance. Yes, first resistance where we can look for a sell position, and second selling opportunity is around 3376. So on the chart of gold, we have two resistances for the day, 76 and this one, the yellow 6770. If market shows price rejection from above, if you see market is struggling, then you can look for a sell opportunity. Why are we considering? Because so far gold is under pressure, and if market hits this area and reverses, we can get the idea that gold is going down again. So these are the resistances for the day. And during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden buying on gold, if you see sudden buying on gold and market is standing at the resistance with a big green candle, isn't it? It is also possible. After all, market, it is full of surprises. Nobody can predict. So if you see the market is standing at the resistance of the big green candle, use your common sense. Forget about selling at around resistances, because no level is permanent. If anything crazy happens, I will update in the Telegram community. If you're still not a part, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Okay, because if market reverses, okay, reverses with not sorry, if market goes up with big green candles, the structure will change again. If structure changes, then market will be bullish. But as of now, market is under pressure while recording the video, so we are looking for sell positions only. Okay, on the other hand, okay, if we see gold going down, because see, okay, all the markets have only two possibilities. Either the market will go up or the market will go down. So here, as the sellers are seem to be dominant, so we are looking for sell opportunities if market goes up. Okay, but if market surprises us with heavy buying pressure, we forget about the selling. On the other hand, if market goes down, then okay, the volume will matter a lot. Especially before US session, we can expect the volume to be very low. In low volume, breakout or breakdowns are usually false. So in that scenario, okay, we can look for a buy position around this particular support here, 3331, 3335, this one. Because if there is not much volume in the market, then obviously market won't be able to break it. Okay, so if you see market is taking support during the Asian session or European session, you can look for a buy as well. US session may bring some heavy selling pressure. If it happens, okay, if you see the market is going below, okay, 3330, okay, then you can look for a sell, but only during the US session, if because volume is important for a breakdown. बिना volume के breakdown possible नहीं है. And as long as market is trading inside this range, okay, the number of trading opportunities are very limited. Okay, let's hope that within next 1 or 2 days, okay, we may see some direction on the chart of gold. As of now, okay, it is very hard to tell whether the gold will be going up or down, because we don't have any clarity. But yes, if gold breaks 3330, we can expect further downside on the chart of gold. And if gold, okay, gold shows good amount of upside, okay, then we can expect gold to be bullish. Okay, but as of now, we don't have any clarity. If anything changes, okay, I will update in the Telegram community. Okay, and lastly, I want to talk something about XNES. Okay, XNES, okay, especially for the access account holders from India, because okay, XNES is facing some legal issues. You must be knowing it very well. Okay, and if you're still using XNES, then okay, you need to be a little bit careful. Don't think that okay, I'm saying this because I'm attached with other platforms. Okay, I'm just saying this okay out of concern, because I'm coming across okay many complaints every day where people are unable to withdraw their profits. Many are also complaining about stop loss, and XNES is always famous for SL huntings. Okay, that is an open secret. Okay, but yesterday I came across a very unusual situation where two people okay shared instances okay where they have taken a lot size. One guy was taking a lot size of 0.5, it became 2 lot, I guess. Okay, and the second guy was taking a lot size of 0.1, it became one standard lot. Not once, okay, okay, the problem occurred multiple times, as a result of which they lost their account. When they complained to the chat support or the customer support, okay, the customer support also okay did not accept the fact. Okay, they said okay, it's your own fault, it is not possible from our end. Okay, and obviously they lifted their hands. So if you are from India, अगर आप इंडिया से हो और अगर आप अभी भी एक्सनेस यूज कर रहे हो, then it's high time for you to switch to a better platform. If you don't want to use Star Vantage, okay, that I usually talk about, okay, no need to use. Okay, कोई भी आप regulated safe broker आप please choose कर लीजिए. Safe broker means okay, it should be at least tier 1 licensed broker. If possible, go for a broker with uh, the membership of Financial Commission, because when such problem arises and you have proof, you can complain to Financial Commission for the compensation. Okay, and if you're not sure what to do, okay, you are clueless, because many of you, okay, many of you are confused regarding the platforms and all. Okay, you can also WhatsApp me as well. Okay, you can WhatsApp me at +9189108 46462. This is my okay not my personal number, okay, but you can WhatsApp me here, okay. I will be able to, not I will be, yes, I will try my best to help you out, but this is my request that please try to save your hard-earned money. Okay, obviously, okay, XNES, I know XNES is a big name. Okay, globally, okay, nothing is happening, but in India, okay, lots of things are going on. And obviously, in globally also, okay, XNES, okay, does a lot of nasty things, okay, that I do not want to talk about here, okay, because, okay, I do not want to face any legal charges, okay, but otherwise, okay, in India, lots of bad things are happening, okay, so be careful.